Hello viewers, are you experiencing Realme phone camera flash not working problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, just go to settings, scroll down and find system. Now go to system, scroll down, click on reset phone. Now click on reset app preference. Click on reset and reset your app preference. Now go back to main settings. Click on about phone. Make sure your phone software version is updated in latest version. Again go back main settings. Now find apps. Click on apps. Now click on app management. Find camera. Now go to camera. Scroll down. Click on storage uses. Now click on clear data. Click on delete. Now go back to home screen. Restart your phone. After all steps, now open camera and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.